Greetings. In this and other tech tool guidance videos for the book, I wish to say three things. One, you don't need to be an expert in these tools to teach effectively with them. You don't need to be an expert to teach effectively with them. Number two, the tools evolve. Don't get too locked into how these tools look and behave now versus the future. The goal is inquiry, not what the tools look like. Number three, let the students fly. Let the students fly. They will still need you as their guide and instructor. You're the one framing the inquiry, setting the context, etc. But they will quickly be able to use these tools. I argue that these tools are far less complicated than most of the computer games the students are playing on a regular basis. So don't stress about move here and click on this layer, etc. I hope those three things are encouraging and comforting. Let's chat briefly about Google Earth and Maps, Google Maps basic skills. As the Maps tools from Google are used so often in daily life, an explanation may not seem needed, but several capabilities useful in teaching are worth noting. These include searching by feature name, school, library, park, point of interest, etc., natural or cultural name, a city, a country, a river, and latitude-longitude, including degrees, minutes, seconds, decimal degrees, decimal minutes, etc. You can obtain directions to places and compare distances and times required to walk, drive, cycle, and fly there. Access the human figure to view ground-level photos along streets, trails, or rivers, which provide context and content for teaching physical and cultural regions. Use the layer function to switch among base maps and layers, and to access tools such as measuring distance. You may already have an account here to save maps, routes, and place markers, but for this book, you will not need an account. The Earth tool from Google can also be used as downloaded software that runs web-connected on a local device, such as a tablet or a laptop, or inside a web browser. In this book, you will use the web browser method for easy-to-use tools without anything to install. To do so, go to earth.google.com. Of frequent use in this book will be historical imagery, photos, and measurement tools.